Hey everyone, my name is Georgina and welcome to Silwood Park, my home here at Imperial.
So, this is my double room. It's £212 per week, and I love how bright and cozy it feels. Plenty of space to work and relax. At Silwood Park, you'll share facilities comfortably. Roughly 2 showers and 2 toilets for every 4 residents. Our shared kitchen and common room are great for hanging out. It's where I've met most of my friends here at Silwood Park.
My PhD office is only 2 minutes walk from the House of Residence, which is super nice after a long day of research.
It's honestly such a peaceful campus, surrounded by nature but still close to everything I need.
What I love most is the sense of community. Everyone's so friendly and the surroundings make it easy to focus and unwind.
When I was comparing my accommodation options, Silwood really stood out. My top tip, apply early. The rooms go fast.
Thanks for watching and hopefully I'll see you soon at Silwood Park.